Here's an example of a workflow. A user wants to add a watermark to a document to indicate the status, if the document is in draft or approved. This ensures that in case the document leaves the organization, the third party will know its status. A user creates and edits a new document. When they check it in as draft, a watermark is created. When another user opens the document, the watermark with the term draft is placed throughout. This use case is configured using Extension Kit Document Processing module. With document processing, you can add watermark and signatures on documents, merge documents and choose the location of the merge, create new and freeze the old version as PDF, as well as restore the original. Also, document processing allows you to customize the place, color, font and size of watermarks and signatures. Improve the quality of M-Files implementations. Go to the link in the description and start your free trial.